I'll show you exactly how you can build them to automate your own work. Stop waiting for the next big model. The real money is in building autonomous AI systems today, and this video is the playbook. We'll do this using a framework called Crew AI. It's a free open source tool for orchestrating autonomous AI agents. Think of it like a manager for a team of AIs. You give them a mission, and the framework helps them collaborate to get it done without you holding their hand. The core concepts are agents, tasks, and a crew. Agents are your AI workers, configured with a role, a goal, and a backstory to guide their behavior. Tasks are the specific assignments you give them, with a clear description and an expected output to ensure quality. Finally, you assemble them in a crew, which manages the workflow, like passing a researcher's notes to a writer. This structure provides the control and reliability that a single prompt to a chatbot lacks. Let's build. First, as a best practice, create a new Python virtual environment. This isolates your project's dependencies and prevents conflicts with other projects on your machine. Once you have your environment activated, you're ready to install the main library. We'll be using pip, the Python package installer, to fetch the code from the official repository. This setup ensures your project is clean, reproducible, and easy to manage. Now, run the command on screen. We're installing Crewway and also Crewway tools. This extra tools part is important. It bundles in essential capabilities like web search tools, which we'll need for our agents to access live internet data. Without this, your agents would be operating blind, limited only to the model's training data. This one command gives them the power to see the real world. Next, in a Python file, you define your agents. First is our researcher. We give it a role, a goal to find information on a topic, and a simple backstory. This context helps the AI perform its job effectively. We also set verbose equals true to watch it think. A single agent is just a smart prompt. The real power comes from combining specialists. So we'll now define a writer, agent with a different role and goal, focused only on creating a compelling report from given notes. This division of labor is the key principle. Instead of one generalist AI trying to do everything poorly, you are building a digital assembly line of experts. This drastically improves the quality, focus, and reliability of the final output. With our agents defined, we give them tasks. We create a research_task for our researcher and a write_task for the writer. Notice the expected _output parameter for each task. This is critical. It acts as a quality control standard for the agent, helping it self-correct and deliver a consistently formatted result. Crucially, the write_task is given the research_task in its context. This tells the crew to pass the output from the first agent directly to the second, creating the collaborative chain. Finally, we assemble the crew. We pass in our list of defined agents and the tasks they need to perform. We set the process to sequential, which is perfect for simple workflows where tasks run one after another. Then, we call the single method .kickoff. This one command starts the entire process. If you set verbose to true, you can watch in your terminal as the agents delegate, execute, and pass information back and forth. It's automation in action. And here's the final output from our crew. As you can see, the writer agent took the researcher's raw findings and produced a clean, markdown formatted report. This isn't just a blob of text. It's a structured, predictable artifact that matches the expected _output we defined. This output could now be automatically saved as a file, sent in an email, or posted to a CMS via an API. This is how you bridge AI capabilities with real-world business automation. This shift is critical. The most valuable skill in AI is no longer just prompt engineering. It is agent engineering. The ability to design, build, and manage systems of collaborative agents is what separates hobbyists from professional AI developers. The value is moving up the stack from the model to the workflow. Now for the honest take. This is not a magic solve my problem button. Crew AI is a framework for developers, not a no-code tool. You will be writing Python, managing dependencies, and debugging error messages. The promise of autonomous agents is real, but achieving it means wrestling with API rate limits, unexpected model outputs, and prompt engineering inside your code. It is software engineering, with all the challenges that entails. The second critical trade-off is cost. While Crew AI itself is free, it orchestrates calls to powerful and expensive LLM APIs like GPT-4 or Anthropic's Claude. A single complex workflow can make hundreds of API calls without you realizing it. Without careful monitoring, you can easily run up a significant bill. You must treat this like any cloud service. Track your usage, set budget alerts, and consider using cheaper or local models for less critical tasks to manage the ultimate reality check, your monthly invoice. So, how can you use this to make money right now? Focus on these 3 high ROI use cases. First, automated market research, to get daily reports on competitors and trends. Second, autonomous code scaffolding, to generate boilerplate and tests, saving massive developer hours. And third, content repurposing pipelines, which turn one idea into a dozen social media posts automatically. Master these first to prove the value and get a return on your time. So the final verdict is simple. Stop waiting and start building your own automated workforce now. The recipe is install Crew AI, define your specialized agents and tasks, and kick off the crew. To get you started fast, I've linked my battle-tested starter template in the description. It's a free download with all the code from this video, so you can build your first money-making agent today.